Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need control of the network or device, otherwise you cannot retrieve incognito activity. First, sign in as an administrator on the computer or router, and then open Chrome's incognito window. Once done, enable DNS or router logging so requests are recorded outside Chrome. Incognito stops local browser history, but the network still sees DNS and HTTPS connections. Make sure to document times, target sites, and the user session, because matching logs to a session is the next step. Now collect records that persist beyond incognito. On Windows, run ipconfig/displaydins to view cached lookups. On Mac OS, use the appropriate mdns responder command. Next, log into your router or firewall admin and export DHCP, DNS, or web filter logs for the device's IP and timestamps. If you had endpoint monitoring or a parental control app installed before the session, pull its logs, because those tools record visited domains and sometimes full URLs. Make sure you correlate timestamps and device identifiers for accuracy. Finally, analyze the exported logs and match entries to the incognito session times. Correlate the device MAC or IP with DHCP leases, then map DNS queries or SNI records to visited domains. If HTTPS obscures full URLs, rely on SNI, proxy logs, or firewall metadata which still reveal domains. Once complete, export findings and secure logs. If you see missing data, make sure clocks were synced across devices, enable persistent logging on the router, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.